The Disney Wilderness Preserve, which is managed by the Nature Conservancy, is an 11,500 acre natural reserve, which is in Osceola and Polk counties. You access it from Osceola County, but some of the hiking trails take you into Polk County, and much of the preserve land is also in Polk County. It's managed by the Nature Conservancy, who also manages Blowing Rocks, which we've done a number of videos from in the past. The Blowing Rocks Preserve in Martin County. And they manage a couple of other unbelievably beautiful natural areas, preserved natural areas in the state of Florida, which we will visit with the Florida Squeeze in the near future. So this area was created through an agreement between the Walt Disney Company, the Nature Conservancy, and the state of Florida in the early 1990s. And part of it was the Walt Disney Company was facing a lot of backlash from environmentalists because of the building and incorporation of Celebration. But also, the goal was to restore areas that had been cattle areas or pasture lands and restore them to a natural wetlands habitat, because these are important headwaters of the Everglades ecosystem. And Reedy Creek itself, which of course is where the Reedy Creek Improvement District, Disney's governing body, self-governing body, special taxing district, gets its name from, does flow right through Poinciana into this preserve and empties into the Kissimmee River Basin in this preserve. So this is the Disney Wilderness. It's a beautiful area. It's free to explore. If you like hiking, it's a great place, or you just want to see some wildlife, some nature, or find a quiet place that is close to a major urbanized area. Lake Russell, which is one of the few remaining undeveloped lakefronts in Central Florida, is within the preserve. In any event, enjoy these pictures from the Disney Wilderness Preserve, and thank you once again for watching.